Hello there, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for LDRS Creative. I'm going to share with you two simple cards showcasing the Up and Away stamp set as well as the coordinating dies. To begin, I'm going to show you all the items that I'm using today. I'm going to use this hybrid ink called Raven, as well as the Prickly Pear Perfection, the pink Tutu, and the Swimming Hole hybrid inks. I'm going to use the stamp set Up and Away, and this features a lot of really cute elephants and a couple of scenes that you can use. They are so cute, and 3 sentiments in the stamp set. And you can also buy the coordinating dies, also using the Love Stacks stamp set, and I would use the I Would Find You in Any Lifetime, as well as the coordinating die set. Also the Playful stencil with the polka dots there, and the Rainy Day stencil using the clouds and the grass, as well as the Slimline Scallop dies. I've already stamped and colored the images here, but I will also show you how I colored one of the elephants, because I pretty much colored all the elephants the same way with my alcohol markers. So I'll just show you one coloring here, and this is just how I was blending all the colors. So I'm going to put some music on, and then I'll be back after the coloring is done. And this is what it looks like once you die cut all of the images, and as you can see, they are so cute. I really like that the images are perfectly sized for an A2 size card base, and I love that about the stamps from LDRS Creative. So now I'm going to use the Playful Patterns stencil, and I'm going to just tape it down temporarily with some painter's tape. And I'm going to use the pink Tutu hybrid ink, as well as the mini ink blending tool there, and I'm just adding some colors lightly to the background. I didn't want this to be super dark, but I was just lightly adding the colors there. And now I'm going to adhere the little elephant with some foam adhesive, and then going to stamp the sentiment using the Raven hybrid ink. Card number 2, I have a 3.5 by 8.5 size of Bristol Smooth white cardstock. I'm going to use the Prickly Pear Perfection with the Rainy Day stencil to add the grass details to this card, and I'm just going to blend those colors in until I'm satisfied with the coloring. And as you can see, I have one of the colored image there, and I was just putting that on my card so that I know the distance between the grass hills. And then I'm going to use the top of that stencil, which is the cloud stencil, and I'm going to add the color using the Swimming Hole hybrid ink. Going to use the Slimline Scallop die set. This is an amazing die set because it contains a lot of dies, and I will die cut the scallop border first with another piece of Bristol Smooth white cardstock, and then I am going to die cut the color background that I colored earlier with the stencil using the biggest rectangle stitch die from that die set. To finish this card, I am going to adhere that scallop border on the card panel, and then going to adhere that piece on an 8.5 by 7.5 smooth white cardstock folded in half. And for my sentiment, I've already stamped and die cut the sentiment from the Love Stack stamp set. I also used the coordinating die there, and as you can see, they are so perfect because you can stamp the sentiment and then die cut a bunch of them. So that's what I did, and I am going to use some foam adhesive to adhere the sentiment on my card. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this process video and found it helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. The supplies I use will be listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check out LDRS Creative blog and Instagram and YouTube channel for more design team inspiration. Thanks again for joining me, and happy stamping!